the various way to calculate your food portion. Friends, if you want to enjoy your life, if you want to enjoy the food, then you must know that how much you need to have at a time. Whether you eat almonds or whether you eat or take a cup of ice cream, it doesn't matter and it doesn't going to affect on your body until and unless you know that in what portion you are having those things. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to lose their fat. Friends, I still remember those days on that time when I took a swear that I'm not going to have any junk food from my that day. And I started having my food in my home. But I was really worried because even though I was living at two parts in my life, the one part is always crying for the junk food and the another part is always crying that why I'm not able to lose my weight, because I have replaced my junk food with the chapatis, whole wheat bread, brown rice, but still nothing is impacting on me. Then what is the reason behind it? But once I come to know about the calorie science, once I know about that how much a person requires a calorie, on that time I come to know that I have been having two major problems. The one problem was binge eating. I was eating good foods again and again 6 to 7 times in a day. And the second thing is that I did not know about that how much portion I was having. I was having 6 to 7 chapatis at a time. I was having a 2 to 3 balls of rice along with dal. So that's why I was not getting affected by my weight training or my diet. But today I like to give you some easy rules through which you can calculate your requirements. Friends, whether you want to believe it or not, but nature has already created many measurements for us so that we can have the food according to our size and our height and our personality. Friends, whether you are male and a female, but everyone has a different height and different body structure. On the basis of your body structure, you can analyze that how much food portion you require. The first major component and the major component of the energy is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate include rice, lentils, beans, wheat flour, and many more things. But now, let's say if you wish to calculate carbohydrate, then you need to know that everyone has their own hand, and there is a size which is known as the cup hand. The way you hold a cup is known as your cup hand. The cup hand shape is a shape through which you need to calculate your carbohydrate. 1 cup hand of rice, 1 cup hand of the dal, 1 cup hand of a beans, you can include it. So it is the portion of your carbohydrate. The second major component is the protein. Whatever the size of your palm, let's say that my height is 6 feet, so that's why I have a bigger palm. So that's why my requirement is high. If some female is watching this, then she must be having a small palm than me. So that's why she must be having the requirement less than me. So let's say there is a chicken breast of 100 gram, that could be my requirement. But a 70 gram of chicken, that could be the requirement of the female as per their palm, not their finger included. Only as per their palm. It should not go extended from their palm also, just as per their palm. So this is how you calculate the protein. Chicken, eggs, fish, paneer, these are the things you can calculate with your palm. The third major component is the fat, and the thumb rule of the fat, the side should be of your thumb. My thumb is long, that's why it could be around 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoon. But if someone has the small thumb, then they should have the 0.75 tablespoon. So this is how you calculate the three major macronutrients. But now if you wish to calculate your vegetables, then your fist going to work. Always have the 2 fists of vegetables into your plate. Now if you wish to design your plate, then there are the thumb rules. Your plate should be made up of 1 palm of protein, 1 cup hand of carbohydrate. It can be the 2 chapatis, because wheat flour would be like something like this. It could be the 1 ball of rice, 1 ball of dalia. It should be the cup hand. Then the 2 fists of vegetables, 1 thumb of fat. This is how you can calculate your plate, your calories. You don't need to go any deep inside it. Just try to calculate. Now, how you can apply this in your real life. The real life example is the cake, ice cream. You should have the ice cream in the cups. It is a carbohydrate. So that's why cup hand. The cake, it is also a cup hand. If you have a big hand, then you can enjoy that much piece. It should not extend your palm. It should not extend this portion. And if you wish to include the proteins, then you can also always have that much portion, which must be in your plate. So this is how you can design your plate, design your life, and achieve your health goals. Friends, if you wish to start your health journey, then I have created an ebook for all of you. You just need to download. Link I'm giving you in the description. If you want me to give you some personal guidance, some personal diet, some personal workouts, if you wish to change your weight with upcoming 45 days up to 10 kg, then feel free to contact me or message me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you can do it. All you just need to know your fitness.